So you want to record your song in several tracks, but you still don't have an audio interface with more than 2 inputs. That's fine. You don't need more. Start with muting all the channels except one on your mixer. And since you don't care about sync, make sure to have the same tempo set for both hardware and software. Arm a track and start recording. Let's start with a few bars of kick. Then create a new track and move the recording to it. Then start recording again. Let's have some bass and let's turn some knobs. Again, create a new track and move the last recording to it. Repeat this for all recordings. By having just one track armed, you keep yourself focused on the process instead of interrupting your workflow by fidgeting in the DAW. Keep this process going for all your channels of your mixer, and remember that you don't need more than just a few bars for the drums. You can just duplicate them in the DAW later. Some instruments need that you rock around with it during recording. Now, zoom in all the way and make a cut just before the start of each recording. When you are done, mark all the empty beginnings and delete them. Drag all to the start. Now all recordings are synced. However, hi-hat is playing on the upbeat and clap, rimshot and snare are all playing its first hit on the second downbeat. And the bass starts on the second 16th note. Now you just color code and organize the tracks to your preferences and start arranging. You can cut, duplicate, reverse. Just remember to keep all tracks aligned to the grid. That's about it. Happy music making.